All right, it came out pretty good. I think I'm actually just going to touch it up a little bit. A little bit of white paint. I don't know what happened here. But just scraping it off. I'd seem to scrape some off, I guess. But yeah, we'll touch that up. This came off too. This was just looked like it was a sticker that ate away at the paint underneath. And that's it. I mean, it didn't come out bad. The stickers were definitely on there. All right. So what do we got here? We have got the Super Deluxe, the Super Sambar stickers. The GTI. A lot of people in the States especially. I just know that from playing rally games for some reason, but Peugeot makes a GTI as well. Very, like, that was baffling to me. So we're going to do this one right here. That's going to complement these right there. Oh, Kitty. And we're going to get this 350 kilograms, which was 140 something pounds, I believe. We just got to get that straightened up.
Slot, so it can't be stolen. Back in the day, a lot of those pillars only just
Super Sambar sticker.
But you're not going to be able to pull that back.
What do we got here? So they give you a neat little. Whoa! Get it, Scar. Get it. What is that? Meow. I know. Oh, it's a stink bug. You can't have that. I don't think you can have that, kitten. Stink bugs are no good for kittens. I'm not sure. All right, let's see what we got. The moment of truth.
This is what's happening. Step two, someone's obviously tried to drive away. Now, sometimes people, if they want a car bad enough, they're going to let it go. So that's where truckers and other things come into their own, which we'll speak about later. But what you can see here is...
Oh, that is slick. Man, that's slick. Wow.
Way back when, you do not see this anymore, by the way. But way back when, I mean, it's just a switch in the back, and then this key rail is replaceable, and it's different for each car. So that was enough security, and I guess they just figured that was so much effort that, you know, to steal the car, that would be that. Now,
I mean, what a difference. What a difference.
These days, I think it's worth mentioning, when we did Yaris Hilton, the biggest time-consuming thing that we had to do to get that car working.
Yep. So when you have a wife